Melbourne's Northeast Link is set to redefine the city's transport network with a staggering $26 billion investment. This massive project, the largest and most expensive road development in Victoria's history, involves constructing 6.5 kilometers of twin road tunnels, starting from Watsonia in the north and stretching to Bulleen in the south. These tunnels will carve through ancient rock, travel beneath bustling neighborhoods, and even dive under the Yarra River, reaching depths equivalent to a 15-story building. With construction already underway and tunneling set to begin in mid-2024, this ambitious project promises to remove 15,000 trucks from local roads daily and slash travel times by up to 35 minutes. Why does this project cost such an eye-watering amount of money? And how will it transform the city of Melbourne as we know it? The concept of the Northeast Link is not new. It's been brewing for decades. It all began with the 1969 Melbourne Transportation Plan, which envisioned a network of new freeways crisscrossing the city. Although many routes were cancelled over the years, the need for a north-south connection persisted. The idea resurfaced in the 1979 Outer Ring study, with various proposals being considered, but none officially adopted. Fast forward to the early 2000s, when leaked maps and political promises brought the Northeast Link back into the public eye. Despite repeated assurances that the project was off the table, the demand for improved connectivity between Melbourne's north and east never waned. In 2007, the Eddington Report strongly recommended the development of the Northeast Link, reigniting discussions and planning efforts. In 2016, a significant milestone was reached. The Victorian government committed to building the Northeast Link, marking a new chapter in the project's long and winding history. The vision was clear: to create a seamless, efficient link that would alleviate congestion, enhance travel times, and support Melbourne's growing population. But how do you transform a vision from over 50 years ago into a reality? The Northeast Link is the largest and most expensive in Victoria's history. This ambitious endeavor includes building twin 6.5-kilometer tunnels, the longest road tunnels in Melbourne, stretching from Watsonia in the north to Bulleen in the south. To give you a better sense of direction, imagine starting in Watsonia, a suburb pretty isolated from the city before this project, and moving southwards. The journey will take you through Yalumbi, an area typically associated with military personnel, and then under the residential neighborhoods of Rosanna and Heidelberg, before finally reaching Bulleen, a wealthy neighborhood known for its proximity to the Yarra River. The project's main feature, the twin tunnels, will start in Watsonia. Here, two giant TBMs will begin their work, each advancing at a pace of 12 to 15 meters per day. These machines are incredibly powerful, generating 11,420 horsepower, equivalent to the power of 57 average cars at full throttle. They will work continuously, day and night, with a crew of 20 people on board at all times, managing the boring process to ensure efficiency and safety. As the TBMs start their work, they'll dig through approximately 5.7 million tons of dirt and rock, laying down 44,000 concrete panels to form the tunnel walls as they go. Each concrete panel fits together like a jigsaw puzzle, creating a secure, durable tunnel. The assembly of these TBMs took 7 months, reflecting the complexity and scale of the project. As the TBM tunneled southwards, passing under the Simpson Army Barracks in Yalumbi and then beneath about 150 houses in Rosanna and Heidelberg, the tunnels will descend to a depth of 45 meters under the Yarra River in Bulleen, roughly equivalent to the height of a 15-story building. This deep descent ensures that the natural environment above remains undisturbed. Construction sites at Watsonia and Bulleen are bustling with activity. These areas are filled with cranes, diggers, and storage sheds, all playing part in this massive project. The Watsonia site stretches 2.2 kilometers from near the local rail station to Lower Plenty Road in Yalumbi. It's here that the TBMs will begin their underground journey, with conveyor belts set up to transport the excavated rock and soil out of the tunnels. As the TBMs grind through the rock, a conveyor belt will move the debris to a massive shed at Windsor Reserve in McLeod, which will be rebuilt as a sporting oval once the project is finished. The conveyor belt, moving at nearly 13 kilometers per hour, will efficiently carry the soil to waiting trucks that will then transport it away. While the TBMs handle the bulk of the tunneling, other sections of the project will use different methods. For instance, road headers will dig out the top sections of smaller tunnels and then support them with rock bolts and layers of sprayed concrete. This method will be used for the tunnels from Bulleen to the Eastern Freeway, which stretch 430 meters and will be built under 30 properties. Building these tunnels involves meticulous planning and coordination. Engineers drilled 2,700 boreholes along the entire route before construction began to map out what lies underground. This preparatory work ensures that the TBMs can navigate the varying soil conditions and avoid potential obstacles. Safety is a top priority. Each TBM is equipped with a hyperbaric chamber where workers can take refuge in case of an emergency. Additionally, emergency passages will be built at 110-meter intervals between the two tunnels, allowing motorists to escape from one tunnel to the other if needed. As the TBMs progress, they'll not only dig, but also construct the tunnel walls. Each ring that forms the tunnel is made up of 10 concrete segments. These segments are produced in Benalla, specifically for this project. By the time the TBMs reach the end of their journey in late 2026, they will have created a continuous, robust tunnel from Watsonia to Bulleen. The Northeast Link is more than just a series of tunnels. It includes significant upgrades to the surrounding road network, enhancing connectivity and improving traffic flow. For instance, the Eastern Freeway will be widened to accommodate more lanes and new interchanges to be built to facilitate seamless transitions between roads. These upgrades are crucial to supporting the increased traffic volume that will use the Northeast Link once it opens. The project also prioritizes environmental sustainability. Extensive landscaping and the creation of wetlands are integral parts of the design. These features will help manage stormwater, support local wildlife, and provide green spaces for the community. Noise walls, designed to meet the highest standards, will be installed to minimize the impact of traffic noise on nearby residents. These walls will not only meet Victoria's toughest 63 decibel traffic noise standard, but also introduce a quieter 58 decibel standard at night, a first for road projects in the state. This project will remove 15,000 trucks from local roads daily, easing congestion and cutting travel times. Motorists using the tunnels can expect to shave up to 35 minutes off their journeys, depending on their route. For example, driving from the Ring Road in the north to the Eastern Freeway in the south could take just over 8 minutes, while the trip from the Eastern Freeway to Yalumbi might take about 5 minutes. The project also includes expanding the Eastern Freeway to more than 20 lanes in some sections, adding express lanes, and using modern traffic management technology to ensure smooth travel. This freeway upgrade is essential to handle the increased traffic volume once the link is operational. The project, with its monumental budget of $26.1 billion, is set to transform Melbourne's transport landscape by 2028. By significantly reducing congestion and improving travel times, the Northeast Link will enhance connectivity across Melbourne's northeastern suburbs. It's a major leap forward in the city's infrastructure development. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Don't forget to turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content.